I've taken this at 1303. Bank Nifty I've taken 303. 332 if we get, it will be great. 321. Array. Yeah, I was trying to buy. I reduced some at 321. Reduced some at 330. 27. 342 I reduced some. Yeah, Bank Nifty I've taken. See, from 342, we got 342, right? Still I have 90. It's crossing VWAP. Let's see. We get a move. Ideally, here we can exit also because it's at VWAP. And Nifty is going down. So Nifty, it's holding, but Bank Nifty, it's showing some kind of weakness. If you see, Axis is also very much down. Back to 320. Yeah, it's a last week of the month. So we can trade Bank Nifty. Still have this 90. It came to cost. So maybe cost we can exit also, like a trailing. We entered at 303. It's at 340 now. Taken this Nifty also. Stop loss will be just 5 points. I'll place that in the system for this. 95 is my stop loss. Okay. And then I will re-enter only if I see a weakness at 200 EMA. So if they break this, then I'll take a 5 point stop loss and then I'll exit. So entry is at 99 and I have placed my stop loss at 95. Very clear. So this I have 910 quantity. This I have some trailing quantity. Wow, this one, look at it, 347. 358, I reduced some. 113, I reduced some here. Yeah, this one we got trapped, but we covered with this. 357. 364, I reduced some at 370. So we still have 30. How many of you got this trade? Nifty or Bank Nifty? Beautiful entry, right? If you see, we got trapped in the beginning, but that was actually a good trade. But this Bank Nifty trade gave us from 303 to 370. This is a 70-point trade. I'll reduce some more. I'll just keep this 195. Yeah, Bank Nifty saved us. I have this 195, this, and just 30 quantity of this. Maybe cost can be the stop loss. Now what I do is I'll hold this till 200 EMA. Let's see. Just small quantity. I've added some more Bank Nifty at 310. 310. 325. Yeah, 325 I wanted to reduce. I reduced some at 330, 329. 336 I reduced some. 340. I have 90 more. Yeah, those who joined new, you might not be getting any clue, but see, we are getting a move in Bank Nifty and it's the last week of expiry, right? So last week of the month, so we trade Bank Nifty there. So first trade that we took on this, it just got trapped, but then we covered it with Bank Nifty, our beloved Bank Nifty, and this. That still can be added because it's at 200 EMA. Bank Nifty is at 200 EMA. I was about to add at 300. Wow, look at that, 330 again. Look at that. I was about to add 300 quantity. Yeah, now it is between this 200 and R3. Let's see if VWAP is also breaking on Nifty. But this is beautiful trade. That what we took here, we got it at 303. We got it till 371. We added Nifty here. We got this, and still we have this. Let's see if Axis is showing some recovery, then Bank Nifty may come up. It got rejection from yesterday's high. Back to 340. $350. Reduce some at 353. That does 310 back to. Yeah, I have these two. Nifty 195, Bank Nifty 60. Wow. Now you're getting in Nifty, right? 16. Reduce some here at 65 because it is VWAP. This is 380. Come on. I'll reduce some at 380. We'll just keep 30. Look at this 122. I'll reduce some more at 120, 127. This is 380, guys. So now I have one lot of Bank Nifty, one lot of Nifty. That's it. Done for the day. First trade got trapped. Not a trap, but then I got re-entry. Re-entry was very good. In fact, I got a re-entry at 100. You booked this 115, it went to 120, but then again it back. And I changed to Bank Nifty. We got till 371. Added again at 310. We got till 380. Now it is trading at 385. This one we added at 99, and last exit is at 127. Now it is trading at 117. Just one lot each. Nothing much happened here. So that exit was on spot. Look at it. $395. This one. 400. This is 400, guys. How many of you added at the 200 EMA? I just missed that entry. Still, we are good with that. Whatever we had, we are good with that. Look at it, it's 400 plus now. 410, 415. Are we done for the day? No more trade is actually required because this one came to support level, right? So it is bouncing from there. Now this one also might be bouncing from here. Back to 400 again. I will exit this at 407. 100 point plus we got it in this trade. From 300, this is our entry. Last exit is at 407. This one. This also I will exit. Done for the day. We close this. Yeah, we were holding this, right? From this moment, I'm holding the trade. From Nifty, Bank Nifty, I entered at 23 and almost 13 minutes, 15 minutes, we were in the trade. Asian markets are positive. IT will see some technical bounce because it's overdone. And if you see US market also, tech stocks are positive yesterday. And Nasdaq is 1.8% positive due to good result. And that impact will be there on our market also. So IT will be looking good today. Now, if you see, Axis is slightly recovering, almost 1% recovered. So what was our view? The stop loss would have been days low, max days low. The Bank Nifty also 5-minute time frame is what we look at. $425. I won't be surprised if it goes to open high also. 89 it can. Yeah, here it is breaking, coming to 20 EMA. So those who want to try a call, I would say 20 EMA. Wow, 136. Look at this. 135. We just exited now at 115. It's 135. 439. Yeah, so the point is the view was on the downside. So we were trying to capture that. For me, the best level would have been this 200 EMA. But I tried here by looking at this. Could have avoided and waited for some more weakness. So second one worked. But Bank Nifty, I got this beautiful level. Yesterday's rejection level. So from there you got the rejection. So I entered around this level. So it's the last week of the month. So we can trade Bank Nifty, not much premium. Otherwise, when you try this 303 will be something like 600, 500. So we won't be able to trade. Others, you might have solved call. If you solved a call, you are not in trouble, right? Buying a put is what might have affected you, this one. But this also, where did I exit? I exited at around 92, 88, right? So if I'm holding that, I'm still in profit. This one also. So we had a view, guys. This is only thing that I want you to have. See, whether you entered here or you entered here, even still, if you have not taken a trade here, it's okay. If you're waiting for 200 EM, it's fine. Because what is our view? Our view is to take a trade on the downside. So if you have good capital, you might have solved the calls immediately. Maybe even this strike price also you'll be selling. You are comfortable. Or you might have taken slightly aggressive bet and you sold 24,000. It's still fine. But if you're buying a put, you might have tried here at 24,000. If not, you will be trying again here. You haven't got it. Still, it's okay. You are with the view, right? That we are going to take a trade on the downside. And whatever opportunity I got, I just try to capitalize on that, especially on Bank Nifty. It was looking so weak. And if it is Nifty, I have to look at multiple other factors also, right? Here, Bank Nifty means Axis Bank itself was 4% down. So I'm very sure once it comes to this level, you'll get a quick move. So it's easy to trade. And look at our trade in Bank Nifty, guys. How many of you have captured 100 points? What you have seen live is this 100 point from 303 to 407. But if you look for 100-point target, you will never get it. If you need to get that, you have to keep exiting with 20, 25, 40, 50, like that. Yeah, Bank Nifty trade was beautiful. We were holding the trade from 923 to 935. Just 12, 13 minutes, we are out of it. So Axis is slowly recovering, but again, now it is coming down. Not a big, but see, it's a big down move. That is why. Otherwise, it is not having much impact on Bank Nifty compared to what HDFC and ICICI. Now, Reliance has also started coming down. So Nifty may give a further dip. Same thing. Axis is because of the result. Reliance also result is not that great. Though in paper there is profit, but then margin issue. I've explained this in the pre-market, guys. So those details you have to watch there. So this is also started because of the result. Though it looks positive, you got this move. Now it can come down. Yeah, if you wait for this level, it will be great. And now it will be very difficult to go there. Yeah, now chances of closing because now you got the support because you got a beautiful green candle in the opening, got a close above the pivot and R3. So now once it retraces to, you'll be getting a support and that's what you're getting now. So if it is crossing, let them come to this level and we can trade. Otherwise, maybe at around close to this day's high itself, we can look for a short trade. I already got a couple of beautiful trades, so not trying. Because market is completely mixed. This is looking down, Reliance is looking down, so Reliance can drag. If you see the pre-market, this is what I've told you. Reliance can drag means entire market sentiment also will be affected. But what is a positive in this? Can anyone tell from the screen what is a positive? There is something which is very positive in this. Yes. What? Others? Any others? VIX. VIX is 4% down. So market is falling, VIX is rising, which is good. Market is falling, VIX is also falling, means you won't get the premium move also much. There is not much panic also, right? So it can be what kind of day? It can be option seller's day. What is it saying is you don't want to panic, let the market fall, but still it's okay. You see, this also keep on falling. So it's a mixed situation. That is why you cannot jump at these levels. Once you get a bounce, yes, you can try. Even now, this is at a good level. Sorry, this one. It's at day's high. Taken this at 100. If break, have to exit and re-enter here, or need to hold till this. Since we have some profits, we can hold also, because quantity this time is manageable. Just because it's a day's high. See, again, we don't know, we are not sure about it also, because VIX is falling. It is good for the market to go up. VIX is falling. It is telling us that you don't want to worry about this. Now Reliance is turned positive. Hmm. Reliance slowly turned positive. Oh, look at that candle. Yeah, future is close to 200 EMA. This one is about to come to 200 EMA. Bank Nifty is at resistance level. This candle is turning red. I will add more. If it comes to 200 EMA, I'll add more. If this candle is turning red, I'll add. I would have exited because we already have some profit, so I can take some risk. We are in profit in that trade only, so I can take some risk. So if you haven't got the previous trade, then your best scenario will be to wait for 200 and see a rejection and then enter. Okay, Reliance is breaking high. Added some here, 88. I think strike price we can change. 24,100 will be better. This one gone below 100. This one will be better. Bank Nifty is also bouncing to 200 EMA. Taken some more at 107. Yeah, it's at 200 EMA. Added some here at 338. 320 it went. Stop loss can be this candle low. Yeah, I want to get a rejection here. Bank Nifty should not cross this. If Bank Nifty wait for that, then I'll be in trouble. Bank Nifty should give it from here and Nifty here. Mhm. A candle close above this 24,100 will exit. We are getting rejection, so this is a kind of confirmation for those who have yet to enter with a stop loss just about 200 EMA. But holding also. Yeah, if they want to give a dip, it should be from here. Only issue is that VIX is coming down. VIX is falling, VIX is crashing. So premium, we may not get bigger, faster move like what we got here. So if you're getting a move, it should be first in Bank Nifty and then Nifty will follow. It's at important level, 100 level, 24,100 level. They want to give a dip, that should be the area. VIX is coming down. You keep stop loss for this. Yeah, all stop losses placed. Yeah, look at that move, Reliance, 1%. Yeah, that's why I kept stop loss. Now, beyond this, we are not going because 200 EMA is also closed. This one, when it was negative, we tried, right? So now in the last 3 minutes, three candle itself, it is 1% up. So there is no point. So keep the stop loss, and if it is taking, we'll exit. Simple. Because if they want to give a dip, this is the area. And now the way VIX is also falling, market may go up. Everything else is also turning positive. TCS is also there. Infosys is also positive. Yeah, below this candle is where I kept the stop loss for this. This is a monetary stop loss. Like if they are crossing this high, we will be out of it. That's how this stop loss is placed. The sentry was slightly high price, negative. The sentry was at 338. Okay, Bank Nifty came to 200 and giving the rejection. Perfect rejection. So it can put pressure on Nifty also. But this level we need to see now. I could have added, but I didn't have capital. Otherwise, at 300, I would have added. By this time, we would have been in good profit also. Wow, it bounced. It is mixed market, Sanjay. That is what I was talking about here. Reliance was coming down, but then suddenly VIX was also crashing. So we had the confusion whether to go on the upside or on the downside. But now Reliance have recovered. That's substantiating the point why VIX was falling, right? You don't want to worry. That's what even I was also telling. You don't want to worry. Market may go up also. Came to 340. If we get 350, I can exit because that is where VWAP also there. Or even now also, we can have a cost exit because it's trying to bounce here. Yeah, just because IT is doing good and Reliance is doing good, they may keep Bank Nifty for adjustment. That is why I'm holding Bank Nifty. We may get a move here. 350. 9 EMA. 350 is VWAP. Reduce some here at 350. We'll keep this 150 because it is VWAP. If crossing, we get good move. Rest of the quantity will give us 56, 360. Could have added at 300. Reduce some at 362. I hope. Fully exited, no? Share. Yeah, fully exited. I had in mind that I have some, 600 quantity. This we can reduce half. No, Bank Nifty I wanted to hold because IT and Reliance looking positive means they'll adjust Bank Nifty to keep Nifty sideways or to keep at least Nifty adjusted. So more dip you may get in Bank Nifty than Nifty. But accidentally I have exited fully. Still we have this. I think this I can reduce half. I'll reduce. No, my view is changed from that sell on rise to don't do anything because VIX is falling. So premium will crash here on put side. So it is good for selling. Instead of buying put, it's good for selling a call. See, this came to 115 and it was showing very good profit now back. Shah. Wow, look at that. Back to 345. I feel like adding this, but since we are already stuck in this trade, let's not take more risk. Otherwise, Bank Nifty is a strong contender to trade on the put side. Not Nifty, because Nifty, looking at VIX, I'm not expecting much on Nifty. Infosys is 1%, 1.7, TCS is 1.7, 1.5, Reliance is 1%. You can change, Sanjay. Nifty 56,400 is what we started off with. You can change to 56,300 also. Even 200 also fine if there is a limitation, or but this is okay. For me, Bank Nifty, this is a normal premium that I used to trade earlier as well. So this is a range 300, 250 to 400 is where I'm comfortable with. Bank Nifty premium. 250 to 400 range. So that's perfectly fine. If you want a little less, you can go with 56, 300. Fine. Hmm. Yeah, now if this one is coming, then it may take the stop loss. Went to 115. Taken some here, 319. B32. Reduced some at 335. Entry was at 319. This I'll reduce some. Half I'll reduce. This one I'll reduce 90 more, which is 357. Bank Nifty did very well, right? We have done very well in Bank Nifty. This also I'll reduce some. I'll just keep this 650. I'll reduce some more here at 115. I'll keep 130. I'll reduce, yeah, 360 something it went. Sha. Yeah, 360 something it went. Look at that. See, we exited at 90. It is trading now at 80. We exited at 115. It is trading at 100. We exited at 350. It's trading at 320. Look at this. Again at 200 EMA. What a bounce. Let's sum here at 101. So what I'm doing is I'm adding around 200 EMS and trying for some quick scalping. But Nifty, we are not getting much. Bank Nifty, it's doing good. Wow. Look at this. Look at this. Hmm. It just got stuck there. Nothing is happening. So I think we are done, guys. It's going sideways. Because if, see, first thing, VIX again falling, it's 5% down. Otherwise, from here, we could have got much better move. So if they are not giving means, now they'll give a breakout and then we may not get an exit for this trade. So I think we are done. Whatever we can get from there, we already got it. So we need to be happy with whatever we got. This again turned negative. Yeah, see, 200 EMA could have been given very good trade, especially after this. But VIX, not only VIX, guys, again, if you look at Reliance is 1% up from a negative, it 1% up. And then TCS, Infosys, all turned positive, big positive. So either it may stay here for quite some time. In that case also, when VIX is falling and it's staying there, you will lose on the premium completely. So I think whatever put can give, it gave. Now, if they need to go further, this green candle, this low need to be taken out. Because that's a very strong recovery. There is no monthly return or anything expecting or guaranteed, Javed. If you want, we take a trade, that's it. We have a team for that. We do give 3% assured return for option selling. That we keep the capital with us in that case. If in yours, there is no guarantee. There is a team, they will do this. I won't recommend also to mentees because it is better you learn and you will do it. Especially when you're attending the session, then no need of all those. Look at this 370. I'll reduce 30 more here at 375. I'll show you a beautiful trade here. This Bank Nifty only. Okay. So here I entered at 272, exited at 310, entered at 275, 270, just 300 quantity. Exited at 287, 305, now trailing for 330. Came to 327 and with a profit of this. $380. I got that. I got that. 330. So see, one simple clean trade, that's enough. I'm done. 380 it came, right? Now here it is 112. Reduce some at 111. But still, we are holding these trades, guys. Even this also I have, this also I have, this also I have. So how many of you now understand the importance of that, a view, despite, see, that view will be completely broken if they cross above this. Then otherwise also that views partially changed when I saw VIX cooling off. But as long as this is my last level, so this is where I'm doing that scalping. Now look at it, 114. I'll reduce some more here. Look at this Bank Nifty again, 390. 390. Look at that. I'll give 402. We already got 100 point in the first trade. Now here also if you are getting, that's great. That also we got 402. Two times we got 100 points. I'll reduce some more here. We'll just keep this. So now let me show you two trades. What is the profit here? 40,000. What is the profit here? 40,000. Right? Now, which is more easy? Here, if you see, just small quantity, one entry, exit, entry, exit, exit, closed. All happened at after 9:12. Here we have ups and downs and ups and downs, started with negative. Because why? We were so desperate in the beginning itself to capture. But here, what I did, that's what I'm telling everyone. I'm waiting for what? Here, only to take the trade. Only here I took that trade. So here, if you see, charges just 1,000. Here, if you see, charges will be higher. So which one you prefer? Now you have to, I've shown all the cases, right? I can trade here, take the stop loss. I can re-enter. I can trade here. Both same profit, more tension here, more ups and downs here, more charges here. Now, no tension here, less charge. If it comes to the level, you trade. If it won't comes to the level, you won't trade. No tension. But sometimes you may not get the trade. But it's okay. And now it's you have to decide which one you want. Tell me, guys, which one you prefer. Reduce some more. Just keep this now. At this 124.99. Yeah, you don't want to do all these taking a stop loss or anything. Just wait for, in the beginning itself, I told you, this is a level. Take this trade. See, at 9:12, 10:12, closed. Charges also this. That charge include for the other trades also. Focus on this one. This is 120. Hundred is coming to this level. So I think this is the level where I can exit and close this. Bank Nifty also fill the gap. Yeah, 440 it came. Bank Nifty. But see, it's very difficult to trade with that kind of quantity in front of 600 plus people, right? Look at the quantity that I had. I had this 1300 quantity. I had this 650 quantity. I had this 300 plus quantity. What kind of, move we captured? Here we got almost 100 points. Before also, when we exited at this level, we got 100 points. And this is what we have now. We'll close and sit peacefully. I'm done for the day, guys.